SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, or so they really thought. SLP really faces obstruction at $0.003, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir by and large is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the generally bears especially has been laid out at $0.003 23 January 2024. In this video we will explicitly walk you through certainly Smooth Love Mixture cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is especially momentary cost expectation for genuinely Smooth Love Mixture, certainly is SLP in all things considered. Wise speculation, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Yet, prior to plunging kind of profound into the SLP specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss the very current economic situations in a quite enormous manner. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570 in an unpretentious manner. The extremely absolute exchanging volume remains at $72,835,133,742, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, or so they especially thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, showing that the for the most part complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $72,835,133,742, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span, which by and large shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,525,941,013,570 in an unobtrusive manner. Sold the really local coin of Solana in a real sense is somewhere around 4.89 and right now exchanging at $81.66, so which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem in an exceptionally significant way. These occasions sort of show that the market basically is going in every practical sense, descending course for sort of present moment, so Smooth Love Elixir support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a very broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish all things considered, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market generally is going in a kind of descending heading for especially present moment. So fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture support and opposition levels, and so on in a significant manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers generally become in every practical sense all the more lovely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is very critical. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers in a real sense move especially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they in a real sense thought. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of essentially Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, truly Smooth Love Mixture execution. The sort of day-to-day graph of fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture fundamentally shows that the SLP cost in a real sense has an especially descending development with a 1.18% lessening in exceptionally beyond 24 hours. Fundamentally further appearance how sold the especially local coin of Solana explicitly is somewhere near 4.89. and at present exchanging at $81.66, so which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the for the most part smooth love mixture (SLP) coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, sort of additional appearance how moreover, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, or so they really thought. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, so SLP truly faces opposition at $0.003 in a huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 23 January 2024, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, generally made sense of underneath, which really shows that SLP in a real sense faces obstruction at $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving really normal, EMA, to all things considered, dissect the future development of the very smooth love elixir. Showing that similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants basically become move kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is genuinely huge. The truly relative strength file, RSI, shows that the SLP coin really is close oversold zone, as RSI in every practical sense is at 34, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The MACD line really is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, which sort of shows that moreover, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day diagram, which truly is genuinely critical. While SLP's Williams %R marker by and large is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal in every practical sense is certainly conceivable at this reach, which by and large shows that the essentially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin sort of is close oversold zone. As RSI generally is at 34 in a genuinely huge manner. As per the regular turn, the vital quick obstruction for SLP may fundamentally be in every practical sense found at $0.003, all things considered, trailed by $0.004, showing that Smooth Love Elixir certainly is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the especially bears explicitly has been laid out at $0.003. 23 January 2024. In this video we will sort of